Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor is not responding on Android. So the first thing you can do is restart your phone. So hold the power button and tap on restart and that may fix your problem. If this does not work, the next way you can do is wipe off your fingerprint scanner. Sometimes it can get dirty and it won't be able to recognize your fingerprint. This may fix your problem as well. And the next way you can do is pull down your drop down menu and tap on settings icon. When you enter on the settings section, scroll down and go to security. And then you can tap on fingerprint and it will ask you your PIN to continue. After that, you can add fingerprint to your device and delete your previous one. And this is how you can fix fingerprint sensor not responding on Android. Thank you for watching our video.